Hi guys, we're here. I want to do a quick rundown on this time of day strategy. Um, for those of you guys who are keen on it, basically day of week. So one being a Monday, two would be a Tuesday, three would be a Wednesday. We're going to go for a Monday. I'm back testing the Aussie dollar on a Monday. I want to test it for a Monday. If I change this to false, it will be for it'll test every day of the week. So I just want to test a Monday. So this day one true. I want to go long on Monday morning. I think there's an opportunity there to go long. Basically, here's the chart of the Aussie dollar. I can see that it's come down, and when the market opens on Monday, I'm not sure if I want to be a buyer straight up or if I want to wait for a particular time of day. So I just want to have a quick look and see what the go is. I want to keep it simple. I'm not dreaming. I'm going to spread my risk at 50-50. So my stop is 50 and my target is 50. Time of day 7 o'clock is when the market opens here in Australia, and I don't want to know about any trending, so I'm just going to run that. Now I'm going to test it. I don't want to waste too much of your time, so I'm going to test it from I'll go from January 1st 2012 through to May, and just see what over the last 4 or 5 months what these guys have been doing. No results because it has to be 10 past 7 first run, and some of that won't be there because of daylight savings. So now let's go and have a look at the graph. That's the result from it. The 12th of the 3rd. So daylight savings has been on since January. So this is going to be a problem, righto. We've got our basic numbers in. We're going to set that as default. Go back over here and optimize it. And I want to check it from from 7:10 through till 2400 hours. 24. And I want to do it in increments of 10 minutes, 0 seconds. So 10 minutes and 0 seconds. Now the problem here being that, so 7, 10 minutes, 0 seconds. Alright, double 0 minutes, double 0 seconds. 24, double 0 minutes, double 0 seconds. I'm going to check it in 10. So there's a 10 there, and then there's double 0 seconds. I'm going to set that as default. Now the problem here is an hour only runs up to 60, and trying to get this thing to stop at 60 is a bit of a nightmare. So it's given me back a 72% win rate. Here is the results. A profit factor of 2.6. Wouldn't you like to have that? At 6 o'clock at night. 6 o'clock at night. 7 o'clock at night. 8:40. And this is my win rate. So I've had a bit of a draw. It's had a good run lately, and now it's just started to turn down again. That's going long at 6 o'clock at night. So I'll write that down. And now what I'll also do is I'll bring up the chart on it. The optimum time is 6:50 PM, and another time right through to 9:50. 6:50 to 9:50. 9:50 PM. So here's the chart on it, and this is since January. Squeeze him up. You can see the problem here. This guy was going long. Market was in topping formation. I'm going to throw in some indicators on this. I'll put in an NR12, which is the narrowest range in the last 12 bars. I'm going to throw my Dom chain on it. I want to see some stochastic reversals. I want to see a MACD trig, and I want to know if there's a pin bar in there. Righto, let's have a look at that. Whoa! Isn't that colourful? Let's have a look. We've got an overbought condition with a heap of. This is a triple stochastic. It's at a high level, and if we were going to go long, we'd be going long down here at the low, not halfway up the high. So that's that one. Now here's a good one. We've got quite a few NR12s in there. Let's clean this up a bit. This is a triple stochastic. Is telling me that it's overdue. That's set for a 1 hour chart. So I'll clean that up. Oh, come on. Righto, here we go. Now, this one, where are we back here? Righto, here's the other one. It's at a low level. It's breaking to new lows. It broke down to new lows. That is at 7:20, and it broke down till midnight. Then it's turned around, and we could have been a buyer in here somewhere, and got out of there 80 up to, and then back into the averages, I guess. That's that one. Here's the one before. It's come off a low, so we've been at our low. The low has built a base. We've had the MACD trigger come in. That grey area there is the MACD trigger. Has told us that this thing was ready to be a buyer, and there's the MACD signal. So this thing's bounced low. It's made a double bottom. Bear pins aren't much good to us. Let's have a look at the next one. Well, this one's not too bad. So there's 11:20 in the morning. Come down, hit the bottom, and away we go. This one is not really what we're going to be looking at, but it's more like there's one there. It's bounced up, so that's 6 or 7 o'clock at night. What we want is one that's where the market's cascading and breaking new lows. Oh, here we go. Cascading and breaking new lows. Alright, so that's what we've got. It's broken below the low. This one went long at the low. Broke down even more, and really 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning would have been a better one for that. Oh, look at this. Breaking down into lower lows, and the market just kept going down on a Monday morning. On a Monday, so the market must have opened here. Yep. And it's just kept going lower. Oh, look at that. It's come down. We've got bloody bullish pins. Look at this. We've got bull pins. We've got a MACD trigger. It's held the low, so it's a good double bottom. There's a heap of flatness there. And yeah, we're gonna have to see. You know, that wouldn't be too bad, a setup like that. I'd take a setup like that. This one's not what we're looking at. Not what we're looking at. This one here could be similar. It's broken, clearly broken out to the low. It's come down. Mind you, this is where the market's opened on Monday morning. Monday morning, I'll give you another look at what this chart looks like. This is where we're at for the Aussie dollar. Here's my buy zone. So I guess if it's in this buy zone by Monday night at 6 PM or later, 9:50 PM, then I'd become a buyer. I wouldn't be rushing to be a buyer until at least 9 PM anyway. And that will help me get that, what is it? A 72% win rate. Ridiculous. Anyway, run down now. Let's check the other side of the coin. Let's not go long, let's go short. So if it's not going to come on good early, let's see what sort of rough time the market likes to sell off. There we go. 76% win rate. Going short at 10 minutes past 8 in the morning. Here's the graph. Look at that. So this one's been a good winner lately. Going short at 10 past 8. There's 8:30, 9 o'clock, 7:50, 8:20. So basically, yeah, start looking for a short position. 7, 8, 9 o'clock, 9:30, and go from there. See what happens. I mean, this is a constant. It's a good steady uptrend, isn't it? It's been a bit funny there in January, but here we are. Well, that's February, March. One loser there, then winner, winner, winner. So why wouldn't I go short early Monday morning, cover it, and then go long Monday night? Again, here's our chart. We're not at this level. We're above it, so let's see where the market opens. Definitely if the market jumps back up in here, I'll be going short. And if the market finally gets down to here, I'll be going long at 6:30. Alright, no worries. That's that. The other question is, what else can we do with this thing? We could take the, say we take off the day of week, and we just want to know, what's a good time to go short. So it's going to check every day. Look at this. 6 o'clock at night, going short on the Aussie dollar. You only got a 59% win rate. But that's just turning up and going short every day at 6 o'clock, 8:20, 8:30. Oh, that's 8:30 in the morning. I mean, I'm not a real big fan of this because every day is different. But the more that I work with this thing, the more I realise there's a group out there who is giving me. It's very hard to trade in Australia because we're in a funny spot. The whole market shuts down as we open, and nothing happens until our market closes, and then the rest of the world takes over, and I'm in bed. So here we go for a Tuesday, same deal, Aussie dollar. I want to enter short, so this is a short entry on day 2. 50 pip stop, 50 pip target. And this is the best time to take a short entry on a Tuesday is around 11:30, 11:40, 10 o'clock, 9:40. Like look at this. This is a joke. Why would you go long? Even if you don't go short, why would you go long on a Tuesday? 83% win rate. 83% of the time since January 1st through till now. 50 pip stop with a 50 pip target, and you're a winner. So that's a short on Tuesday. So that's Monday. I'll do that there. Tuesday. And a long. I mean, there's no trick here. There's no, this special thing did this and that. It's simply asking the computer what would happen. And here it is. If you went short at 1:30, you stand a chance, but it's very fickle. You wouldn't take this, would you? This is all a bit, this is just incoherent. There's no real trend here. It really is a 50-50 sort of trade. Also, what I've done with my optimizer, I have kept the best 250 results. There's 24 hours in a day. If we're going to test every 10 minutes and it's going to do it in 100-minute intervals, there's going to be 240 results. So I went 250. That means every result is in here. And I can find them in order by clicking here, and it'll set. There's 10 o'clock, 10 past 10, 10:20, 10:30, 10:40, 50, 60. You can see 10:60 didn't record because that would be 11 o'clock. They didn't record. Here's 11 o'clock. Dump, dump, dump. So I'm going to scroll down through the day and have them grouped into the best time. And you can see it's sort of. Oh, there's not many winners here. It's all losers, isn't it? There is a winning section somewhere. Here's a winning section. Look at this. Here's the winning section, and the ones either side of it are quite weak. So anywhere from here, 12.40 through to 2 o'clock. See, this one was break even. So if you want to go short, what are we doing here? We're going long on a Tuesday for the Aussie dollar. Your time to do it would be around 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock. There's your opportunity right there. You know, but you wouldn't do it unless the market actually got there. So that's that. Righto, now let's pretend let's start again and let's try something else. Let's go for the Euro. Euro optimize. Now we'll do this one for a Monday morning, but I'm a dreamer this time around. I reckon I'm so good I can use a 30 pip stop, and I want to make 90 pips, and I want to know the best place to be doing it. So here it is. Set as a default. I'm going to check it on a Monday, and we want to go, let's go short because the Aussie dollar is really well on the short side. Maybe I should be pausing in between. Righto, ooh, that's not real good. There's 1.64, 35% win rate. But it's at 10 o'clock, 9, 10 and 9 o'clock. That's the best opportunity to do it. And here is what your win rate looks like. So you've got a winner, you had a couple of losers, winner, 3 losers, winner, winner, double winner, winner, 2 losers. So you are keeping your head above water, but you're living in a dream, little fantasy world, where here you're going to be the best trader ever, and you can use a 30 pip stop and a 90 pip target. It's the stupidest thing I've ever heard of. Anyway, here we go. Now let's go back to the real world and use a 50 pip stop. The reason why I'm going for 50, if I went 30-30, it would, it's inside the swing zone, isn't it? You can get stopped out pretty easy. 50 pips for the market to move 50 pips. It usually won't retrace back over the same spot. Here we go, 8 trades, 75% win rate at 7:40, so that's daylight savings time. Need to be down here, 8:40. So we've got 17 trades. This is our true number, and these guys were held out by daylight savings. There'll be a flat spot in here. So, well, there it is. It didn't start till the 12th of the 3rd. So, right. So there it is. There. That's our. So about 8:40, 9 o'clock in the morning, and it was bad in January, February, March, but it's been real good lately. So this is what I'm interested in, is what's it been doing lately. If this was going up here and fickle through here, I wouldn't be too worried about it, but it's this last 6 or 8 trades. I mean, there's a definite trend going here. So let's pull up the Euro and have a look. We've got the Euro on a small zone. If the Euro were to open here or come up to this zone in 9 o'clock on Monday morning, I'd be a seller. Just jump in there and sell that. But you know, it would have to be in this zone. This is my sell zone. I'm going to redo these actually, because this zone's a week old. I did this zone back here on Monday last week. It's traded all the way through here, and now we're down to here. So there was a couple of good sell opportunities in there. Anyway, and yeah, you get that. There's a buy. Missed that buy. I was asleep. I think I was out at the party or something. Anyway, put that over there. And let's check it for the other guys who are smaller traders. Let's check it for a 30-30. The problem with a 30-30 is you're going to get flicked around a lot, and it's going to give you. It's quite easy for it to hit 30-30, isn't it? So it's quite easy for it to run 35 pips up or 40 pips up and take out your stop and then come all the way back down and hit the target again. Well, look at this, 17 trades, 82% win rate at 10 minutes past 9. Look at that. That's bullshit. So someone's coming in, hitting this thing at, that's ridiculous. God, 90 can't win. 82% win rate. Selling the market at 10 minutes past 9. This guy knows what he's doing. There's 9 o'clock. Yeah. That's ridiculous. Where's 8:40? Here we go. Could you get in there at 8:40? Yes, you could. All of this. Right, let's check 8:30. Yeah, well, see, there you go. So the key here is that we're onto it. We know come 8:30 in the morning. Write that down. Euro 8:30 a.m. 30 pip target, 30 pip stop. Righto. Well, there you go. I hope this helps you out. Now, I'm only trading Forex. I'm in Australia. I can't do it. You could probably apply this to anything. You would set your times up. Oh, I made a mistake there, didn't I? On Tuesday, if we were to do this for Tuesday, you would have to, because I want to kick it off from midnight till midnight, I would have to start my calculations from 10 minutes, that's 10 minutes, 00 seconds, so that's 10 minutes past midnight, 0 to 24 hours, 00 minutes, 00 seconds, and I'd do it in intervals of 10 minutes, 00 seconds, and that's it. Now I've also put this feature in, a trend. If the market's trending, and I'm just going to use a 200 EMA on a 10-minute chart, if the trend is rising, I want to be a buyer, otherwise it's not going to enter. So the trade I'm taking here is short, but only if the EMA is rolling down, if the EMA is falling. Let's check that out and see what happens. So trading in direction of the 10-minute 200 EMA trend. 90% win rate, you've got 10 trades. By going in at 11 o'clock. Isn't it amazing that these other times are so much nearer it? 9 o'clock, 10:50, there's one at 7:30, but 11 o'clock, 11 p.m. Go, what is it? What are we doing? We're going short at 11 p.m. because the 200, that's all we're doing. We have 90% win rate. Isn't that ridiculous? Isn't that ridiculous? So, hopefully in the not too distant future, I'll build another indicator that you can put these results into, and you'll get a reminder notice on the euro that as the time approaches of all this information, and you can just get straight into the trade. Bing bang boom and done. Alright, that's it. No worries, thank you.